All right, this is what I'm doing for these ladies' benches. So I'm just sanding them, but I got a really nice sander. The sander's like $6,000. It's a Festool, but this is all nice lead paint, so it's pretty delicious. And it's also 4 layers thick. So I'm going to switch out the pad now and then switch the setting. So instead of just going around in a circle, it's going to go around a circle and in like a star pattern. And that's what happens. The paint actually melts and then gets stuck on there. So you got to wait for it to cool down a little bit and then you can like just break it off. But 4 layers of lead paint, awesome. This is a 60 grit, and then I'll work up to 120, 180, 300, 400, and then 600 grit. It'll make it like baby smooth. It's actually not too bad right now. And you have to line it up so it lines up with the hole so the vacuum sucks it through. See, now it's actually going a different So that's what I've been doing lately, is trying to get these ladies' benches done, so that'd be, a few bucks. But see how nice and clean it comes now? And then you can't see because I can see because I'm right here and I'm really close, but there are actually like little niches in the wood that I'm going to have to resand, so that way you don't get them out. But I don't know if you can see them with the angle or not. So that's what I've been doing. I'm excited because it's my first time and it's a new profession for me.